Good morning. Today is Saturday, September 19th, around 4:15 a.m. and I just woke up at 3 a.m. and ate a bunch of pancakes to carbo load because I'm going to try to beat my personal daily record mileage of 27.5, which I did on the Finger Lakes Trail during my thru hike. I'm planning on trying to do like 30 or 32 miles today. So I'll probably do updates at least every 5 miles. And I'm planning on finishing by around 6 or 7 tonight. So right now I am doing a 4-mile road walk from the downtown of Ithaca to Buttermilk Falls State Park, where there's a connector trail that goes to the Finger Lakes Trail, and then once I'm there, I'll be hiking westbound for around another 20 whatever miles. On a little bit over 4 miles now, walking through Buttermilk Falls State Park on my way to the Finger Lakes Trail. 5.5 miles in now. Got first light peeking up in the east over there. It is now almost 8 o'clock and I just passed the 10-mile mark and am making my way through Robert Treeman State Park. It was pretty cold during the night hiking portion, well into the 30s, but now it's starting to warm up and it looks like it's going to be pretty perfect weather for hiking today. There's actually frost all over the grass. I hope my Sawyer filter didn't get screwed up this morning. It is now 9:45 and I just crossed the 15-mile mark, and in a little bit I'm going to start one of the longer road walk sections of this 30-mile chunk. And then in a few miles, I begin the climb up Connecticut Hill. I just had the pleasure of meeting a long-distance backpacker on the Finger Lakes Trail, which really is not that common of an occurrence. He's on Instagram as Dr. Bob Hikes, and he started in Pennsylvania on the Mid-State Trail and hiked northward and then linked up with the Finger Lakes Trail via the Crystal Hills branch. And now he's following the Finger Lakes Trail to the Catskills, taking the long path south to the AT, and eventually he's going to loop back up and finish where he started, I think. So cool. It is now 11:30 and I have hiked 19 miles so far, did almost all the elevation gain up to the high point on Connecticut Hill, and I'm looking at this awesome view right now. Taking a little bit of a break and then hitting the trail. It is now a little after 2 and I am past the 25-mile mark, so I'm obviously going to end up finishing a little ahead of schedule. My legs are definitely starting to feel the mileage a little bit, particularly in my hamstrings and my glutes, but my feet are holding up a little better than I expected, especially because I'm trying out a relatively new pair of shoes. It is now 3:15 and I just passed the 28th mile marker, which means today I have hiked more miles than I've hiked any day in my life, beating the 27.5 day I did on the Finger Lakes Trail. It is now 4:30 and I just passed mile 31. One more mile. I am in the middle of this last climb and then I will be done. Since like mile 25, the miles have definitely been getting slower and harder, and the muscles in every part of my leg kind of feel like they're gonna seize up and cramp. So I'm definitely gonna need to stretch a ton before getting in the car to go back home. All in all though, I feel pretty great and I'm definitely accomplishing what I set out to do here today. So I feel good. 32 miles complete. Pretty sure that is Connecticut Hill over there that I was walking along, and then I went down and then came up over there. The 32 miles was both easier and harder than I expected. One thing's for sure, I'm definitely excited to go back home and eat an enormous feast.